Here we are, back at the red parking garage at Oak Brook Center. Here are the two of them that are working. Let's see if this one, I saw Busmaster 99's video recently of these, and this one's safety broke for no apparent reason. Okay, it's doing that weird thing with priority service again. Well, it has been. Okay, yep. Before we go anywhere, someone probably called it. Nope, didn't safety brake. This one's up. This one's going up. Yeah. This baby go down. And we'll get the other car. Let's go to the machine room. All right, that's enough for machine room audio. I don't think the other one's working. I think this is the only one that's in service. So I'm not surprised. And I think the other elevator on the other end of this garage that's lonely, I think that one's still dead or broken. Nobody comes up here, so the snow is, All right, let's go, bud. Unfortunately, since these controllers are obsolete, use geared MRQ machines. Yeah, I think this one's down. These elevators have to be fully replaced or modernized within next year. Let's go, baby. Good job. Nope. Now watch it going up at 6. And then we will end down here so I could take this guy out. See what's up with the indicator. It's cold down here. Yeah, this one's down here. It's not. Yeah, it's not responding. So this one's definitely out of service then. All right, that's it. Okay, so this elevator is running again, but look at this. The lights are off, and this barricade's right here, so this is not a good sign. I'm not gonna ride it. It was sitting up at 6, and I called it down here. I'm gonna take a picture of this really fast. As of June 2026, this is back in service with the lights on and stuff. 120 volt circuit. We're gonna leave it alone. However, it still has the leveling issues.